Good morning from Aulani. I thought we might just take a quick little walk through the pool area here, the courtyard area, so you can get an idea of what Aulani is like. It's just lush and gorgeous. Right here is the Makikiki restaurant where they're having a character breakfast right now. You can see Mickey over there greeting people, Pluto's in there greeting. And then out here you can see the volcano. That is a slide, a pool slide that is super fun. I've seen lots of people have a great time. You go down it with a raft. You can see the lazy river a little bit right there. We're just gonna walk around. This side of the resort is the hotel room side, and then this side over here is the DVC side. Kind of forms a U with this pool area right in the courtyard. The paths kind of meander back and forth from side to side through the courtyard, so you never see one straightaway walkway. It's just full of this lush, gorgeous Hawaiian foliage, flowers, waterfalls, just beautiful. We have seen a couple of feral cats running around. It's been kind of fun, the Disney cats. You can see the rafts there. These rooms on the lower levels are pool. Oh, there's a cat right there. Are rooms 1 through, or floors 1 through 4 are poolside rooms. And then 5 and up are ocean view rooms. See lots of bridges. Here's the children's play area. Tons and tons of lounge chairs. It's early in the morning here still, so these are not filled yet, but they will be later on today. It's not too hard to get a chair if you come out early enough. It's the splash area. You can see more of the lazy river. More chairs. Just gonna keep walking around here. It's kind of a little walk from the lobby down to the beach, but it's a beautiful walk. The kids have a great time in that splash area. They have really been loving it. It's all the kids playing in there. You might see a couple of the cabanas there. Those are available for rent. All kinds of goodies come with that, and a big price tag as well. Keep heading our way to the beach. Here's the Rainbow Reef. You might have seen photos of this that I've posted earlier. This is the place, the actual saltwater pond where you can snorkel with the fish. It's right in the middle of the resort area here. Right over there is Ulu Cafe. That's the freestyle machines are there, a quick service grab and go kind of place. Opens early for pastries and things for breakfast. They have pizza, all kinds of good stuff. There's another family pool right over in here. You can see more lounge chairs, the pool area over there. This Green Shack is another quick service place. Have fish and chips, shrimp, and next to that is the shaved ice. It is pretty delicious. I'm gonna head back over this way. Lots of places to eat lunch. They will, cast members come around with poolside menus and you can order right from your lounge chair. you like. There are steps, but there are also ramps all around, so if you have a stroller or a wheelchair, it's not a problem. There's a little splash area as well. All these little nooks and crannies just make it so lovely.
Pool.
Yeah, the infinity pool, one of my favorite places. It's right over this way. Right over there, you might be able to see the green construction fence. That's the adult pool. It's under construction right now, so we're not able to use that. But from what I can peek through there, it would be very secluded and quiet. Restrooms right there, more cabanas you can see over there. It's the infinity pool. This is just beautiful. God, who wouldn't want to go in that? This is for families. There is an adult-only infinity pool too. It's much smaller. Right up those steps where those people are headed. Right over that way. You can get to the adult one. It's just gorgeous. So you can probably start to see the beach. Heading there, getting there. We're supposed to have some rain today, so you see those clouds over the ocean. We're hoping it stays away. I want to show you the adult infinity pool. Okay, we're going back upstairs. I have showers, of course, to wash your feet off when you come off the beach, so you don't track sand back to your hotel room. Zero entry pool here for families. There's Ama right straight ahead with that thatched roof there, with the open air seating, a gorgeous place for dinner. And Auntie's, the kids club, Auntie's Beach House is right next to it. Here's the adult only infinity pool. Much smaller as you see. Okay, back down to the beach.
Good morning. Morning.
There is complimentary beach equipment you can check out. Boogie boards and snorkeling gear, life jackets, all kinds of good stuff that you might want. You can see that's where you would do that right there, that beach rentals right over there. So these are all the beach chairs. These little casabellas right here with the covered roof, you can rent those if you'd like for the day. They're much cheaper than the cabanas. And all these lounge chairs, there are tables you can see between the chairs, all the umbrellas. All this is for Disney guests. The white building over there is a Four Seasons, but all this right here is all Disney. It's gorgeous. You need to come. Aloha.